Hello everyone. Today we are going to do a problem based on compass surveying. Let us read the question. The following fore and back bearings were observed in traversing with a compass in place where local attraction was suspected. Find the corrected fore bearing and back bearing of lines. Also calculate included angles. Lines are given. For the lines, fore bearings and back bearings are given. Now we are going to draw the traverse using the fore bearings. Let us make the direction symbol. Let us keep this station as P. The fore bearing of PQ is given as 124 degree 30 minutes. We know that 124 comes between 90 and 180. So in between we have to make a line and then the direction symbol. The fore bearing of QR is given as 68 degree 15 minutes. We know that 68 degree comes between 0 degree and 90 degree. In between we have to make the line and then the direction symbol. The fore bearing of RS is given as 310 degree 30 minutes. 310 degree comes between 270 degree and 360 degree. So in between we have to make the line and then the direction symbol. The fore bearing of SP is given as 200 degree 15 minutes. We know that 200 comes between 180 and 270. So in between we have to make a line and connect with the station P. Now let us indicate the fore bearings. Then let us indicate the back bearings. Now we are going to check which stations are affected by local attraction. We know that the difference between back bearing and fore bearing is 180 degree. When we subtract this angle by this angle, we will get exactly 180 degree. In QR, RS and SP, the difference between fore bearing and back bearing will not be equal to 180 degree. So only in PQ, the difference is 180 degree. In this case, we can assume that the stations P and Q are free from local attraction. Now let us make a table. In the table, first let us enter lines, then bearings, then corrections, and then corrected bearings. For the line PQ, the fore bearing is 124 degree 30 minutes. Let us enter that. Then let us enter the back bearing. Back bearing is just reverse of fore bearing. Reverse of PQ is QP. So QP is 304 degree 30 minutes. QR is 68 degree 15 minutes. And RQ is 246 degree. RS is 310 degree 30 minutes. And SR is 135 degree 15 minutes. SP is 200 degree 15 minutes and PS is 17 degree 45 minutes. We know that the station P is free from local attraction. From the station P, there are two readings taken. One is PS and one is PQ. Both of these two readings are assumed to be correct. We know that the station Q is also free from local attraction. From the station Q, there are two readings taken, QP and QR. Both of them are assumed to be correct. So for these four readings, no correction is required. We can directly enter them in the corrected bearings. Only for these four readings, we have to find the corrected readings. Now let us enter these four correct bearings in the traverse. PQ is 124 degree 30 minutes. QP is 304 degree 30 minutes. QR is 68 degree 15 minutes. and PS is 17 degree 45 minutes. Now we can find the correction for these bearings. We can use this angle and move this way, or we can use this angle and move this way. I'm going to use this angle and move this way. We know that this is the fore bearing of QR. Using that, we can find the back bearing of QR. The formula to find the back bearing is fore bearing plus or minus 180. We have to use the positive sign when the fore bearing is less than 180, and we have to use the negative sign when the fore bearing is more than 180. This bearing is less than 180, so we have to use the positive sign. When we add these two, we will get the bearing of RQ, which is 248 degree 15 minutes. Let us enter that. Now let us find the correction. 248 degree 15 minutes minus 246 degree. We will get 2 degree 15 minutes. We will get a positive value. So the correction is positive. We know that the bearings RQ and RS are taken in the same station R. So the same correction which we got in RQ should be applied in RS also. When we add these two angles, we will get 312 degree 45 minutes. Let us enter that. Now using this fore bearing, we can find the back bearing SR. Since this is more than 180 degree, we have to use the negative sign. After adding these two, we will get 132 degree 45 minutes. Let us enter that. Now let us find the correction. 132 degree 45 minutes minus 135 degree 15 minutes, we will get minus 2 degree 30 minutes. Let us enter that. We know that SR and SP are taken in the same station S. So the same correction should be applied to SP also. Here I have applied. When we add these two angles, we will get 197 degree 45 minutes. Now using this fore bearing, we can find the back bearing PS. Since it is more than 180, we have to use the negative sign. For the bearing of PS, we will get 17 degree 45 minutes. We already know that. We have got the same value because in the station P, there is no local attraction. So we can conclude that stations P and Q are free from local attraction and stations S and R are affected by local attraction. Now from the question in the given table, we can enter all of the corrected bearings. Now we are going to find the included angles. The traverse is running in the anti-clockwise direction. So the included angles will be the interior angles. We know that the interior angles are these angles. First, let us find the interior angle in the station P. To find this angle, we have to subtract this angle by this angle. When we do that, we will get 106 degree 45 minutes. Now let us find the interior angle in the station Q. We can split this angle into two parts, right side and left side. Right side we know the value 68 degree 15 minutes, but we do not know in the left side. We know that one circle is 360 degree. 360 degree minus 304 degree 30 minutes. We will get this angle. So this angle is 360 degree minus 304 degree 30 minutes. When we add this angle and this angle, we will get interior angle Q, which is 120 degree 45 minutes. Now let us find the interior angle in the station R. We can find this angle very easily by subtracting this angle by this angle. When we do that, we are getting 64 degree 30 minutes. Now let us find the interior angle in the station S. We can easily find this angle by subtracting this angle by this angle. When we do that, we are getting 65 degree. Now let us add all of the angles. When we add, we will get 360 degree. The formula to find the theoretical sum of the angles is 2n minus 4 into 90. Here there are 4 stations, so n is 4. 2 into 4 minus 4, we will get 4. 4 into 90, we will get 360 degree. Both of them are matching, so hence OK. Now we are going to end this session. Thank you for watching this video.